Hi everyone and welcome back to Karma and Kismet. My name is Kelly and today we are going to be doing some Star Wars decor. So I am a huge Star Wars fan. I always celebrate May the 4th, and this May the 4th I decided to get a little bit crafty, broke out my brother's scan and cut and made some banners and some Baby Yoda garland. So let's go check it out.
We're going to do two different types of banners in this video. The first is just a traditional flag banner, so we're going to actually spell out May the 4th be with you, and you can grab this from my Etsy shop if you want to get the template, or you can just follow along and make it yourself. It's really simple in the Brother Scan and Cut Canvas workspace, and all you have to do is put the SVG file in the workspace and then actually cut it out right on your scan and cut. Once the base banner is printed out, we're going to go ahead and start cutting out the letters. So again, this is all available in my Etsy shop and I'll make sure to link that below, but you can get creative with this. Use some different fonts if you'd like. You can use the Star Wars font if it's for personal use, but I went ahead and did kind of a different funky looking font, and that also, of course, like I said, is available in the One thing to make sure you do before you start cutting anything out is to measure. They always say that measure twice, cut once, and that is definitely true, especially when it comes to the Brother Scan and Cut, because you want to make sure that you have everything the correct size. Once everything's been cut out, we're going to go ahead and start actually constructing the banner and getting it put together. So I like to lay out my banner pieces in the sections of the words so that I know that I have everything that I need and I've cut everything out that I need to have for this banner. Then I'm going to lay out the letters on there just to make sure, again, that everything fits properly and that I didn't miss cutting out a letter or something like that. Then you're just going to use some glue to put the letters onto the banner. So I like to use Mod Podge because I feel like it is just cleaner actually, even though it's liquid, because I always seem to get some residue from glue on the pad that I'm working on. So this is just an option if you guys want to try it, or of course you can always use just a stick of glue or anything else that you might be comfortable with. As you can see, this is a super easy way to make a banner. So having the scan and cut just really makes it so much simpler and a lot less time because you don't have to cut everything out. But if you don't have a scan and cut, you can by all means just use a scissor and cut things out manually. And just like that, our first banner is done. I added some beads on here that just added a little bit of extra. Also something you guys can think about too. So now we're going to make the Baby Yoda Pom-Pom banner. To get started, you're going to need yarn, a hot glue gun, hot glue, pom-pom maker if you had it, scissors, and paper. Also, make sure to head to karmaandkismetdesigns.com because I have a DIY guide for making these pom-pom Baby Yodas that will also include a pattern for his ears. The first step, of course, is to start making the pom-poms. So we're going to make several different colors of pom-poms, but the one that I'm making right now is going to be for the base of Baby Yoda. Once you've created the pom-pom for Baby Yoda, you're going to grab the ears that you have. So again, make sure you grab that DIY guide from karmaandkismetdesigns.com because that's going to have a pattern that you can actually print out on green paper, so you don't even have to worry about drawing them all. Once you cut those ears out, you're just going to use some hot glue and place them onto the pom-pom. To create the rest of the banner, you'll just repeat these steps. So if you want to have all Baby Yodas, of course you can do that, or you can kind of mix in some plain pom-poms like I did. Once you've created all those different pom-poms that you'll need, you're just going to thread them onto a piece of string. And you're all done with your Baby Yoda Pom-Pom banner. I loved using this on May 4th. It was such a great little addition to my mantle that I set up here, so I used both my banners together, and honestly, they are still sitting there right now, so I don't know how soon they're gonna come down. They were so cute.
So that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video today. If you are not subscribed already, make sure you do so below, and make sure if you do this Baby Yoda garland or this banner that you show me on Instagram by tagging @CarmenKismet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next week.